Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I've made several recipes with sabudana and adding to that list is another wonderful snack recipe. Today we're going to make this delicious and crispy Sabudana Bondas. Now this is a very simple recipe, so let's get started and check it out. Take 1 cup of sabudana in a large bowl. Always use the big size sabudana for this recipe. The small size sabudana will not be suitable for this one. Just wash it well with water once or twice. Now strain off the water and add 1 cup of sour curd to the sabudana. Remember that the curd should be sour for getting a nice flavor. Now mix these two together and pour about half cup of water. Give it all a quick mix and let the sabudana soak for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, you can see that the sabudana, that is the sago, has nicely plumped up. To this, add 1 finely chopped large onion, 2 finely chopped green chillies, a piece of ginger finely chopped, chopped curry leaves, now some finely chopped coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of salt for taste. You can adjust the salt according to your preference. Mix everything well. Now add about half cup of rice flour as a binding agent. Now if the sabudana mixture is too moist, you can always add a little more of the flour to this. After you have added the rice flour, mix it all well with your hand. It will be easier for you to blend everything. Lastly, add about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix again. Baking soda will help in making the bondas nice and fluffy. That's it, our bonda mixture is ready. Now we can go ahead with frying the bondas. For that I have taken a wide kadai here, pour enough oil for deep frying and heat it on medium flame. Maintain the flame on medium and gently drop the sabudana mixture into the kadai in small portions like this. So this is a good size for the bondas, it's a nice bite size. You don't have to make the bondas larger. Keep flipping the bondas at intervals to make sure they are evenly cooked on all sides. Once they turn crispy and golden brown on all sides, remove them from the kadai and place them on a paper towel. There you go, here are these delicious and crispy sabudana bondas that you can enjoy with some nice coconut chutney, tomato chutney or even some ketchup by the side. These bondas are nice and soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. It's a wonderful evening tea time snack. Look at these sabudana bondas. They look absolutely delicious. They're super crunchy and I can't wait to dig into these. I can actually enjoy the whole plate. Well, time to taste. So I've just made this nice chutney to go with it, but you can enjoy them as is. Oh my god. Can you hear that crispiness? It's too good. Fantastic. So these crispy sabudana bondas make for a perfect tea time or evening snack. They're so crispy on the outside and it's cooked perfectly on the inside. You can enjoy them as is or with any dip of your choice. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. I'll catch you guys with another recipe. Take care, bye-bye. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.